Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Learning channel. Today, we are going to listen to a simple and interesting English conversation about the kinds of videos people love watching on YouTube. This conversation will help you improve your listening, speaking, and vocabulary in a natural way. Listen carefully, repeat the sentences, and practice your pronunciation with confidence. Let's begin today's English conversation.
Hey, what kind of videos do people watch the most on YouTube?
A lot of people love watching English conversations, motivational videos, and funny content
Why are English conversation videos so popular?
because many people want to improve their English naturally while listening to real conversations.
That makes sense. I also watch English videos every day.
Really? What do you usually watch?
I like daily life conversations and confidence building videos.
Those are very popular now. People enjoy simple and realistic English.
I think short conversations are easier to understand.
Exactly. Short videos help people stay focused and learn faster.
What else do people enjoy watching?
Travel videos, relationship stories, life advice, and study motivation are also trending.
YouTube is actually a great place to learn new things.
Definitely. You can improve your English, learn skills, and stay motivated at the same time.
That's why millions of people watch YouTube every day.
Exactly. People love content that is helpful, entertaining, and easy to understand.